Hi and welcome to a new video. WhatsApp status updates are automatically deleted after 24 hours, but how can you delete them manually? In this video, I'll show you the latest method on how to delete your WhatsApp status on Android and iPhone. So if you've made a mistake or had a change of heart, you can easily remove it. Let's go. To delete your WhatsApp status, open the application and go to the Update section. If you're using an old version of WhatsApp, this is displayed as Status instead. Tap on your profile picture to view your status updates. At the bottom of the screen, swipe up or click on the up arrow to open the Viewer section. Then tap the three dots icon in the right side of your screen, click on Delete, and choose Delete One Status Update. After that, your WhatsApp status will be removed permanently. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.